What's up, everybody? Today is day 8 of 75 hard. I'm doing my power walk exercises outside. And today what I wanted to talk to you guys about is how you can increase the growth factor of your business. This can be applied to your lifestyle. This can be applied to your family and your wife, with your kids, your husband, etc. And what a lot of people don't know how to do is they don't know how to push their threshold of control. And this is something that a lot of people learn in the gym. It's something that a lot of people learn in the gym, right? How can I increase my threshold of control? Well, typically you start small and then you start lifting more weight until you can start carrying the level of weight that you're trying to get to, whether it be benching, doing lightweight and then making your way to heavy, doing heavy first and then going to light, maxing yourself out, right? When you do this, you get real uncomfortable. As a matter of fact, it actually hurts your body, but your body heals. And guess what happens? You grow back 10 times stronger, okay? So in business, you have this thing, it's called your threshold of control. Your threshold of control is your ability to be able to solve problems that are outside of your comfort zone. So let's say you have a seller, right, that wants to sell you a property. Problem number one, there's 8 heirs on the house. You've never done a deal like this before. There's a $50,000 tax lien against the house. You've never done a deal like that before. There's a fucking IRS lien against the home. Or there's like an active lawsuit that is going on with the property. You've never dealt with that before. Well, your ability to get uncomfortable and to try to figure that shit out, guess what it does? Once you figure it out one time, you can do it over and over and over again. And that's going to be the most beautiful thing. You see, we all have this inner circle threshold of control of things that we're capable of doing. But when we get faced with situations, problems, weight that we didn't know that we could carry, and we push ourselves beyond what we're comfortable with, what happens is you increase your level of problem solving. You increase the muscle of your business, and it grows exponentially to be able to be capable of solving problems to the caliber of which your business is trying to solve problems. Now, a lot of people don't understand exactly why that is a good thing, to be uncomfortable and comfortable at the same time. If I get comfortable, this whole challenge is going to fail for me. I know it for a fact. And I'm doing this so that I know that I can do it again. And once I do it again, I do it over and over and over again. And I keep getting the desired result that I know that this challenge is going to do for me, this program is going to do for me. So what's inside of your threshold of control, right? What are the capabilities that you have to be able to serve the industry that you're currently operating in? And how can you increase your threshold of control? How can you take on larger deals? I'm talking multi-million-dollar deals. I'm talking deals that are like, you know, you wouldn't even think that you would be able to accomplish these things until you put yourself in the predicament where you have to. Because the reward on the other side of that is what's going to benefit you the most. And then, boom, you just increased your threshold of control. So you should start doing that today. All right, guys? So thank y'all so much for supporting the journey. If y'all can like, subscribe, share this message. People got to get out of their comfort zone. They got to get uncomfortable, and they got to get comfortable with being uncomfortable, because that's the only way that we're going to solve bigger problems. I'll see you guys in the next video.